boss has me back up front. He wants me to take this Dodge Charger out, fix it, and put it back in. I'm going to show you out and back in this video. There's not many times I'm excited to work on a Dodge, but this is one of them. And I'll show you the easiest way. Thanks for watching, guys. Let's get straight to it. Doesn't gotta hit me. Alright guys, I just got it raised up. Let's go check the time before I take any bolts out. Sorry for the glare, but it says 7:23. And there's no bolts out of it yet. You can see how easy they are to get out. I mean, they're just so easy. So I'm just gonna set you back here, turn the light on, and let it record. These are 15. Mark it with grease if you have to. Keep me from having to think too much. I'm going to go and work on this rear drive shaft. I always take this mount off the back. It makes it easier. I can see clearly now, the rain is gone. Washer's always on the rubber side. Fork and pry tool to get the shifter off. Pretty easy. Neutral so you can turn it. So just hop into neutral. It's going to get to collapse enough. There's only one way to know. Got that one broke free. Got that one broke free. Got that one broke. I don't think there's quite enough room. I'm going to go and take these other ones out. Oh no. No, there's no need for that. I got it out of the way. I'll show you guys. I left that insulator on and just push that out of the way. Now the train will come right out of there. All I have left is the plug. All right, here's the plug. Pretty self-explanatory. Always make sure there's no fluid coming out of these. And then I'm gonna have to pop that off the tranny there. And these are just like normal GM cooler line clips. You guys know how those work. There we go, got that off. Little pocket knife, get the clip out. There we go, you can wiggle and jiggle. And out she comes. Other line the same way. I got that clip out. Both the lines are loose now. I can take my other bell bolts off. I'm going to get my starter all the way out real quick. Be careful careful with it. I didn't hook the battery on this one. Letting it hang normally works fine though. And then you go over the top and get these front ones coming in from like that. Like that. Both these came in from the front. Alright. Starting to work on the torque converter. A little 10. Yeah, guys, I know I need a haircut. You guys are lucky my outro will have a haircut. I'm gonna go get a haircut tonight. I might make an outro with a haircut, so watch till the end. See what I look like with all my hair on the top cut off. She ain't touching my beard though. Ain't happening, Captain. I got this little cover off. And now I can see the flywheel so easy. Alright, they look like 13 torque converter bolts. Probably 6 of them. Alright, there goes one. Just using this fork and pry bar. Turn the motor. There's 2. Four. Five. I'm on the last one. 6. Push it back with your fingers. Alright, time to pull this thing out. Oh my god, just throw 16 in there for no reason. I knew I would use it. Got that one out. There's another one on the other side. Caught it in my beard. Almost caught it in my beard. These are the ones that come in from the front. On the dipstick. The dipstick's slotted, you don't have to take it all the way out. Dipstick's up out of there. And there's two wires on this top right bell bolt. One thick wire and one small wire.
Not bell bolts, must be 13s. Another bracket up there. That's why. We'll see if the bracket goes to the other side too. Wiggle and fight. Yeah, I got it. Got that other nut off. There's 2 nuts on the top holding the bracket on. That's the bracket pushed up out of the way. Now, stick my 15 on that long extension. To hold this down, just trying to round it. Alright, got that other bell bolt out. Now I need to use 13 gear wrench. Take the bolts that hold this shifter bracket to the transmission off. Leave the clip in. I think that's the easier way. But like Dave always says, it's your chicken. You can fuck it however you want. I got 2 bolts left. The 2 side bell bolts. Put my jack back under here and out it comes. Alright, learned from my lesson that doubles are 14s. At least that one was. It's out, guys. Let's see what time it is. It took me forever. Okay. It took me what felt like an eternity. And it's 8:12. Gotta keep in mind I was videotaping. So I'm gonna go put it back on my bench and build it. Buy any car. Get your free
Alright guys, I'm ready to put this back in. Looks like it's about 2:07. See how long it takes me. Like I said, I'm just going to do a time lapse, so I'm not going to explain everything unless I have trouble. I'll show you what I did to get out of the trouble. If you don't put these clips on, the job ain't done. Keep these cord lines in. We don't need a comeback. There we go. It ain't snapped on, it ain't done, boys. One of these holes is gonna have flats on the side, guys. I think that's the one. It's hard to see, but pay attention to that. All right, guys, if the drive shaft comes apart, there is a master spline. See it right here? There's a little, one of the teeth is, one of the grooves is blocked off, so make sure you put it in right. All right, there's just one that doesn't have as deep of a groove on it. If you look in this shaft, you can see where I started trying to drive it in, and I almost boogered up that spline, so I'm gonna clean those up and find where the gap is and put it together right. So I went ahead and I put a mark on my shaft so I have an idea where the master spline was. Oh, got it. When it goes, you knows. So far, it's the only problem I really have with this training. I haven't filled it, but it's in. It's 3:10. Took me longer to put it in than it took me to get it out, but we got it all done in the same day. That's where we're gonna fill it up, guys. There's this little weird Dodge dipstick cover, and you gotta check it with a long dipstick. Boss said it calls for 8.5. Put 4 in it, start it neutral, put the other 4.5 in it, and check it. Hey guys, Dylan here. I got that charger done today. Got it done with an hour or so to spare. Took me about 45 minutes to get it out, about an hour to get it back in. It probably took me 3 hours to build it. It was pretty clean inside, to be honest. But thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna stick a couple videos up over there if you check them out. It's the best way to support the channel is hit that subscribe button. I got the hair cut. Hope that looks good. I always get it cut short and let it grow long. It's just what I do. So she did a good job. So thanks for watching, guys. On to the next one.